Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who want to complete your executive education program from the top business school in India, then this video is for you guys. Indian School of Business, that is ISB, has launched the executive education program in product management. So if you want to change your current job role into the product management, then this is the best course you can consider with. Or if you are a manager or senior manager and want to execute the product management strategies in your work, then this is the program you can consider with. Or if you are a business head or an entrepreneur and want to develop your business by applying the product management strategies, then this is the best course which can help you. The course will start from the 28th December 2023. So you can complete the course in an online mode also. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria, so if you have completed your graduation or diploma, then also you are eligible to apply for these courses. And if we consider the fee structure for the courses, then it is nearly up to 1,40,000 rupees. Now the question is why you should do an executive education program provided by the ISB in product management. So there are various reasons for this. Like first is the Indian School of Business ISB is accredited by 3 global accreditation bodies, ICWIS, AACSB and AMBA, which makes it a credible institute for pursuing the product management course. Second is the course has a strong and holistic curriculum that not only includes live masterclasses by leading product manager but also hands-on projects, application-based case studies of the top Indian startups and practice on industry-relevant product management tools that can shape learning trajectory of a product manager. Third is when studying at the ISB, you will get to learn from globally renowned ISB faculty and get best in class industry knowledge under their guidance. Fourth is after successfully completing the ISB product management course, you will receive a certificate that is recognized globally and adds a creditability to your resume. Then with ISB product management program, you can get access to the eMeritus career services that can help you to build a strong resume and also get in the spotlight to be considered for these placements. Then finally, a strong alumni network is the major highlight of the program. The past participants of this program work at Accenture, HDFC Bank, Flipkart, Cognizant, Amazon, and there are so many. So this product management program by ISB Executive Education Program will help you with a structured approach to managing entire product life cycle. It can help you to test and launch products that customers love and are always ahead of the competition. You can learn the competition analysis, road mapping, prototyping, A/B testing, and there are many more things you can get over here. You can get access to eMeritus career services which empowers you to manage your career proactively. This 3-month certificate program will offer you a comprehensive understanding of product design, development, positioning, branding and distribution using hands-on industry examples and case studies. This program will provide you with the contemporary and technical knowledge vital for product management through. So this will consist overall 11 modules. The first module is of product development and management, key concepts and principles. The second module involves the product development process. The third module consists of market structure analysis and opportunity identification. The fourth is of competitive positioning and its role in product design. Fifth is of the product development process, AB, AA testing, MVP and growth hacking. Then sixth is the concept development and testing. Seventh is understanding the consumer preferences. Eighth is product solution design. Ninth is the willingness to pay and price setting. 10th is a product positioning and branding. And finally the last one is managing product performance and metrics. Upon successfully completing the program with a minimum 70% score, you will be awarded a certificate from the ISB Executive Education. And along with the certificate, upon successful completion of the program, you will become a part of the ISB Executive Network and you can get the various benefits through this. Like first is ISB newsletter with the latest updates you will get. Second is the learning and networking opportunity via ISB network group on LinkedIn. Then third thing is exclusive invitations to online and offline events like webinars, conferences and master classes amongst others. Then fourth thing is preferential pricing with 10% discount on program, free on ISB Executive Education programs. And fifth is upgrade to ISB Executive Alumni Group with 100+ learning hours. So after completion of this course, you can get this benefit also. In short, with this course, you can develop a product mindset needed to bring the viable products to market. Then you can define the problem product will solve while mapping the customer's journey and articulate user personas. Then you can analyze strategies and frameworks for developing, marketing and selling a product. You can evaluate a product road mapping and prototyping decisions using various product management techniques and practices. And finally is the outline plan to create a competitive scalable product using key product development strategies and frameworks. So all those things you can take from this program. So this will be your overall learning journey. The first week is the orientation week. During this week, you will be introduced to the other participants in the class from across the world, and you will learn how to use the learning management system and other learning tools provided. Then the weekly goals are set. As you begin this program, meet your learning goals set for the week. The goals would include completing the assignment, which you have weekly deadlines. Then self-paced flexible online learning, learns online via pre-recorded videos from renowned ISB faculty in a high impact 3-month journey with a learning commitment of 4 to 6 hours a week. Faculty will not be a part of weekly live sessions or any other live interaction in this program. Then debrief sessions will be over there, and timely follow-up and learning support is also given to you. ISB Executive Education is an collaborating with online education provider Emeritus to offer a portfolio of high impact online programs, and that is the reason after completion of these courses you will also be able to access the 15 recorded sessions and resources like resume and cover letter, navigating job search, interview preparation and LinkedIn profile optimization. Here you will also be available to access the IIMJobs Pro membership. The last date of application for this program is 6 December 2023. So the link of application I will share in the description box. If you have any questions related to this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.